I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This afternoon I want to share with you the book of Romans chapter 1 and from verse 32. This is what the word of God says. I've got a bit of a serious message to share with you this afternoon. The word of God says, who knowing the righteous judgment of God, that those who practice such things are deserving of death, not only do the same, but also approve of those who practice them. What is the Apostle Paul speaking here about? He's speaking about committing murder, strife, deceit, evil-mindedness, whisperers, backbiters, haters of God, violent, proud, boasters, inventors of evil things, disobedient to parents, undiscerning, untrustworthy, unloving, unforgiving, unmerciful. My brother, my sister, those who know the righteous judgment of God, those who know who, if they do these things, my brother, my sister, the word of God says they are deserving of death. But then he goes on to say, not only do the same, they also do the same, but also approve of those who practice them. Those people who say it is right to do those things. My brother, my sister, the word of God is very, very clear that those, you know the righteous judgment of God. You know that if you practice those things, my brother, my sister, it is sin and it is a wrong thing to do. But you also approving to those who are practicing such sins. You are saying it is okay, but you're also practicing it, my brother, my sister, and you're also approving it. If you go to Psalm chapter 50 and verse 18, the word of God says, when you saw a thief, you ran with him and have been a partaker with adulterers. Oh, my brother, my sister, in the time that we're living in right now, people are becoming friends with this world. They're practicing those things that they know is wrong, and they are approving of it, saying it is okay to be a lesbian. It is okay to be a gay person. It is okay to sleep around. My brother, my sister, the word of God says that you are deserving of death. Not only do the same, but also approve of those who are practicing it. My brother, my sister, you are becoming a friend of this world. You're becoming a friend of this world. You've ran with adulterers. You're saying it is okay to sleep around. It's not okay, my brother, my sister. It is a sin.